Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to become a billionaire in Bitlife without God mode. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and download Bitlife. Then tap on Open. Now tap on Allow if you want to receive notifications. Next, select the gender, such as male or female. Now choose a character and start a new life. Your new life has begun. You can press H to grow older 1 year at a time and progress through different stages of life. Now focus on maintaining high smarts by studying hard in school and visiting the library whenever possible. Once you become a teenager, continue aging up while keeping your grades high. After high school, go to Activities and select Education. Choose a university degree that can lead to a high-paying career such as business, finance, engineering, or computer science. After graduating, look for a well-paying job through the occupation menu. Work hard every year, use the Work Harder option, and aim for promotions to increase your salary. Now go to Activities and check the investment or business options if they are available in your version of the game. Starting a successful business can be one of the fastest ways to build wealth without God mode. You can also invest in real estate by purchasing properties and holding them as their value increases over time. If you inherit money, receive valuable gifts, or get opportunities to invest, use them wisely instead of spending everything. Avoid unnecessary purchases that reduce your net worth early in life. As your income grows, continue buying profitable assets, expanding businesses, and increasing investments. You can also become famous through careers such as actor, musician, athlete, or social media influencer and earn additional income through advertisements and sponsorships. Keep aging up while growing your wealth year after year. With successful businesses, investments, real estate, and high-paying careers, your net worth can eventually reach $1 billion without using God mode. And that's how you can become a billionaire in Bitlife without God mode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.